Let's make Biko. Biko is sticky rice that's been cooked in brown sugar and coconut milk. Oh, it's so good. I can't stop eating it. So think of mango sticky rice, but with caramelized rice. Dude, just hit that subscribe button so that we can get started already. You cannot miss this. Welcome back to this channel where you get to make Filipino food with easily accessible ingredients. If you want to take on the challenge of making one Filipino dish a week for 4 weeks, click on the link in the description below. Let's get started. Grab your rice cooker because we're cooking rice, but not just any rice, sticky rice. Check the description for a link if you need to order this online. Then add 1 1/2 cup of water. This will only half cook the rice because we'll be cooking it further later. Press your rice cooker to on and then just wait until it's cooked. If you don't have a rice cooker, you can just use a small pot. You can simmer the rice and the water on low heat until all of the liquid evaporates. While the rice is cooking, we'll create the caramelized coconut milk sauce. Over medium flame, heat up a medium saucepan. Add 2 cups of brown sugar. I actually used coconut sugar, which tasted amazing as well. 4 cups of coconut milk and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, we're just gonna sit here and let it simmer a bit until it thickens. Make sure you stir periodically so the bottom doesn't burn. Mine actually took a while, about 30 minutes of simmering before it thickened up. Yours might take less time or more time. 30 minutes later. Finally, it's slightly thicker than when we started. By this time, the rice should be finished cooking as well. So grab your rice and start combining it into the caramelized coconut milk. Break up the rice to fully integrate it into the coconut milk, and we'll allow this to cook further on medium-low heat. This took about 20 minutes. Taste a piece of the Biko to ensure that the rice is fully cooked. If it's not, go ahead and leave it simmering for a little bit longer. If it is, then you are finished. Only thing left to do is serve. Lining your container with banana leaves is optional, but I love having it to infuse the banana leaf flavor on the Biko. Biko is usually served in a shallow square pan, pressed down firmly so they can be easily sliced and served. I'm just using this container because it's cute. Ugh, I knew I shouldn't have made this. I could not stop eating it. Maybe it's not a good idea to make this at home. Have you ever tasted anything similar to Biko? If you have, let me know what it is in the comments below. Again, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye!